What is up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna go pick up some Voltex Fender flares. Alright guys, so here it is. We're about to spend a lot of money. It's gonna hurt the bank account, but the cars should look sick if it fits properly. 400 bucks, it better be worth it, eh? Oh, it better be worth it, 400 bucks. It better fit, it better fit. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so here it is. I hope you guys can hear me. You know, it's kind of windy today, a bit cold, but here it is. Look at that. Well, it's not gonna come out this wide as it is both in the packaging, but right here, that's how it sits. So we're probably gonna go home and then we can test fit it, eh? Let's go. Alright guys, we're about to do something serious. You see that truck? 5 likes on this video and we're gonna go straight underneath. Ready? I'm waiting. Oh, that's 4 likes. Alright, ready? Let's go. Don't fucking swerve like that, bro.
Oh shit, what the fuck is that?
So here it is guys, the S2000 Voltex rear fender flares. So as you can see right here, these are the ones to suit the AP1 bumper, as I got the AP1 bumper. So let's get unwrapping and let's test fit them on. So are you guys ready? Just keep in mind that the fitment is not on point, so please don't roast down below, but here's how the fenders look. As you can see right there, just tape that on, and here's how the Voltex fenders look. So as you can see, straight away you know that the wheel fitment isn't on point anymore, as there is a big gap. I think it's about 2.5 centimeters, so the tires can still come out quite a lot, but here's how it looks from the rear. Doesn't look too bad, eh? And not too sure how well you guys can see, but here's how it looks from the front. So I'm actually digging the look, except like I said before, I have to get some spaces or run wider wheels to actually match the fender, because look at the gap down. Here's how it looks directly from behind. As you can see, it doesn't really come out as much, but you can still tell that the fenders are there. So according to my calculations, the tires can come out, or will need to come out, about another 2.5 to 3 centimeters. So as you can see from the top, yeah, it's about 2.5 centimeters if I want to sit flush with the new guards. But here it is, and that's how it looks underneath. So I know the actual way to install these is to actually flare your actual guards or trim your actual guards, But however, I'm not going to be doing that, as I'm going to be staying with the same ride height. So basically what I'm just doing is just extending it. So I'm not lowering the car or anything. So I'm pretty sure it can still clear. So I should be fine without actually cutting or flaring my guard. So how I'm going to be installing it next time is, like I said, drilling into the tabs and then double-sided tape up here. But the only problem I might have is if I decide to use some spacers or get wider wheels, I think I might have to flare the guards. As you can see right here, it is pretty close. Right now it sits perfect, but as I pull the wheel out, it might get too close to this. But however, in the meantime, like if I install it like this, I don't need to do anything. Basically just paint it and install it. And I know this defeats the purpose of actually extending my guards, but like I said, you know, I'm not going lower, and if it fits, it fits. So that's why I'm just going to do it this way for now, and in the future if I do need to roll out the guards or flare it out, then I will. But in the meantime, no need to. So yeah, I'm just going to run it like this. Here's how wide it is, for those who are wondering. So as you can see, wheel fitment is now whack, but what can you do, eh? So there it is. Doesn't really help that the back is cambered in as well. From certain angles, you can't really tell the gap is as big. So like if you're standing here in real life, you can't really tell as much. But if you're standing from the front where I am right now, there you go, you can see it. Alright guys, so now out in the sun, I'll show you guys a better view with more lighting. Look at that. Damn, it actually looks way better when the car's actually outside and you can see the whole thing. Damn. Ooh, 100 times way better. So yep guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. My apologies, there wasn't much in today's video, but as you saw, I got some new Voltex parts, Voltex Fender flares, and you probably saw and I explained that, you know, the wheel gap doesn't really fit the Voltex flares, as I need to do some guard work or figure out some wheel fitment and wheel specs. So I probably won't be installing them anytime soon. I mean, I could run them now, but I think I'm just gonna wait until I figure something out. But we'll see, you never know. I could install these with the same wheel fitment I have now. But yeah, we have to wait and see. But yeah, that's gonna do it for the Voltex flares. As you saw, we test fitted, we tried some stuff, and yeah. Also guys, I got some great news. Just before I end this video, I just want to say that the ZPG Apparel is now live. As you can see, not too sure if you guys remember, a few videos ago I showed you guys the new design. So remember, we have some long sleeves, short sleeves, and tank tops, both in black and white. And as you can see, we have the nice ZPG Garage box logo with 100 times way better at the front, and the original ZPG logo at the back. So yeah, once again, box logo at the front and original one at the back. So as you can see here, got some tanks, and over here we got some shirts. So the website is actually live right now, as you guys can see. Have a sus, have a browse, go through, and I'll leave it down below. Look at this, damn. Yeah, so feel free to have a sus of the website. Nothing much, but still does the job, eh? So yeah guys, that was the website. And also guys, how this is gonna work is I'm gonna be having a pre-order. So I think I'm gonna be pre-ordering for about 1 week. So if you don't want to miss the chance to cop a shirt and be guaranteed one, then I'll suggest you order through the pre-order time frame, because I'm not too sure how much I'm gonna stock after the pre-order, because I'm gonna get a little extra so I can have some in stock. But like I said, if you want to be guaranteed a shirt and you don't want to miss out on one, then make sure to hit up the pre-order so then you don't miss out. And also guys, if you're looking for more information and how long the pre-orders will be, make sure to hit up the website, because everything is on there. So once again guys, feel free to suss the website, more information on the website. And yeah, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a fat like. P-H-A-T. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters.